हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे पाठ 5 गुणवती कन्या मीन्स अ वर्चुअस गर्ल. Poet Dandi is well known as a prose writer in a Sanskrit literature. He has written a prose work named Dash Kumar Charit. Its theme is imaginative. 10 Kumaras, as it was decided, start traveling in 10 different directions. During the journey, whatever every Kumara has experienced is described in 10 Uchvas. Uchvas means a section of this work. In the 6th Uchvas, Mantragupta described his own experience of journey. At this juncture, he narrates the story of a Shakti Kumara. This story has been edited and presented here in a brief. Men and women are the two wheels of a chariot in the form of a household life. As it is essential to have both the wheels of a chariot similar in a shape and size. Similarly, men and women working or acting as a wheel of a household chariot should be also be similar in thought and virtues. Shakti Kumara, the hero of the story, is endowed with the good qualities. Hence, he wants to marry a girl having a good qualities similar to him. He has made a plan to find out a qualitative girl of his own choice. As per his plan, a girl who can prepare and feed a various food item from only one prust, matlab about 2 kg paddy, is a virtuous girl. After finding such a girl, he would put a proposal of marriage, and if she agree, he will marry her. Shakti Kumar, who was moving in the different countries in the search of virtuous girl, find one girl living in a Kanchi Nagar, situated on the bank of river Kaveri. The girl, using her extraordinary intellect, prepare various food item and pleases Shakti Kumar by feeding him those items with love. Thus, he thus the girl succeed in the test. Shakti Kumar puts a proposal of a marriage and marries her after her consent. The moral of the story is that in spite of want of things, a good person with excellent skill can get desired happiness. Active past participle used in this lesson are also to be noted. So let's start our lesson. कांचीनगरे शक्तिकुमारो नाम एक श्रेष्ठीपुत्र प्रतिवसति स्म. Kanchikumaru means the name of village and Shreshtiputra means a son of merchant. So there lived a city called Kanchi, the son of a merchant named Shaktikumara. Prativasati means lived. स यदा स्वकीय जीवनस्य द्वाविंशति तमे वर्षे प्रविष्टस्तदा चिन्तामापन्न नास्तिदारविहीनानाम् अनुरूपगुणदाराणां च सुखम्. When he entered the 22 year of his life, स्वकीय means his जीवनस्य मतलब life, and द्वाविंशति means 22, वर्षे means year. Pravishta Sada means entered. When he entered in the 22 years of his life, Chintamapanna means worried or think. Nastidar Vihinam means without a wife. Anurup Guna Dharana means suitable, virtuous. Sukham means he thought that those who have no wife and those whose wife devoid of a suitable virtues do not become happy. तत्कर्थम गुणवती भार्याम अहम विंदेय मिति. So how can I get a virtuous wife? तत स प्रभुतं विचार्य वस्त्रान्ते पिन्नगशालिनी द्वारग्रहणाय विविधान् देशान् अभ्रमत. Then, thinking deeply, he wandered at various places. Prabhutam Vicharya means lot of thinking. Vastrante means the hem of his cloth. Pinnagasalini means a paddy, and Dwaragrahanaya Vividhana Deshana Abhramata means wandered from country to country or various places. एकदा स कावेरी तीर पत्तने समागत. Once he come to a city of bank of river Kaveri. अत्र स कूपे विरलभूषणा कुमारी मेकाम अपश्यत. अत्र means here. Koope means near the well. Viralabhushana means less ornament, and Kumari Mekam means a girl, young girl. Apashyat means see. Here he saw a young girl wearing less ornament near the well. Tasya रूप संपदा अभिभूतम so chintayata. He was overpowered by the wealth of his beauty and thought. आकृष्टम में हृदयम आश्याम means my mind is attracted to this girl. तदेतां परीक्ष्यं विवाह प्रस्तावं कृत्वा. So testing her and make her a proposal. तस्याम सम्मतो उद्हामि. I will marry her if she agree. स तां निकषा संगत्य सविनय आह. Approaching to her and politely he said, अस्ति ते कौशलं शालिप्रस्थेन अनेन सम्पन्नम् आहारं मा भोजितुम्. अस्ति means have, kaushalam means skill, और शालिप्रस्थेन means 2 kg, अन्नेन सम्पन्नम आहारम भोजितु means do you have a skill to feed me with a tasty or delicious food prepared with this one prastha of paddy. One prastha means 2 kg. Prastha means approximately 2 kg. ततः सा ओमिति उक्त्वा प्रस्थमात्रं धान्यमादाय श्रेष्ठीपुत्रस्य याचनानुसारं कर्तुं प्रवृत्ता. Saying yes, taking only one prastha paddy, she proceeded to do as he had asked her. The girl take only 1 kg paddy from the son of merchant and start her work. ततः आदौ सा बुद्धिमती कन्या तान् शालीन प्रथमम् आतपे तप्तवती. Then the first that intelligent girl heated the paddy in the sun. Atape means in the heat of sun. Taptavati means heated. Tata samaya parishuddhaya bhumo tana agatayata. Then she ground them on the flat or even ground. अनेन तुषेभ्य स्तंडुला पृथक संजाता means as a result of this the rice grain were separated from husk. तंडुलान संप्राप्य सा तुषानभूषणानां भर्जनार्थ स्वर्णकाराय विक्रोतु धात्रीम् अकथयत्. Then having obtained the rice grain, she told the elderly nurse to sell the husk to the goldsmith for cleaning the ornaments. Rice husks are used to clean the gold ornaments. तस्मात् यत् धनं मिलति तेन काष्ठानि आहार इति च धात्री निवेदितवती. She told the elderly nurse to bring a firewood with the money she would get. She told the nurse to sell the husk of the rice grain and get the money, and from this money he told her to buy the firewood for cooking. Dhatri kasthani anitavati. The elderly nurse brought the wood. तदंतरम सा तंडुलान असकृतं जलेन प्रक्षालितवती. Then she washed the rice grain many times with the water and उष्णीकृते जले च तान् प्रक्षिपवती, means put them in the hot water. अल्पी असा कालनेव तंडुला सिद्धा संजाता, means in a short time the rice were cooked. तत इंधनानि जलेन शमयित्वा कृष्णाङ्कारनपि तदर्थिभ्य प्रेषयित्वा यद् धनं लब्धं तेन धनेन शाकं धृतं दधि तैलं च क्रीतवती. The rice were cooked in a short time. Then, having extinguished wood with water and with whatever money she got by sending the call to those who needed them, she brought vegetables, ghee and oil and curd, and with it she prepared various dishes. तेन च सा विविधानि व्यञ्जनानि sampadivati, means she prepared various dishes from this money which are getting from selling the coal. संपन्ने आहारे सा कन्या धात्रीमुखेन अतिथये प्रथमं स्नातु निवेदितवती. When the food was ready, the young girl asked the guest through the elderly nurse to take a bath. तत स्नानशुद्धाय तस्मै अतिथये स पेयोपाहारपूर्वं भोजनं धृतसहितं ओदनं व्यञ्जनम् अयच्छत. Then to the guest who had cleaned himself by taking a bath, she gave a rice and other dishes with the ghee after first offering a beverages and snake. मध्ये मध्ये सा भोज्यादीनां विविधानां पदार्थानां वर्णनं कृत्वा अतिथे भोजनं रुचिमपि अवर्धयत. In between the meal, the young girl even whetted the guest's desire for the meal by describing the various food items and the other things. भुक्ते तु तस्मिन् अतिथो तया ताम्बूलस्यापि व्यवस्था कृत्वा. When the guest had finished with the meal, the arrangement of a betel was also made by her. एवं स्वकीयया गुणसम्पदा प्रस्थपरिमितेन धान्येन विविधानि व्यञ्जनानि विरचितवती कन्या प्रति समाकृष्टं शक्तिकुमारविवाहस्य प्रस्तावं कृतवान्. In this way, Shakti Kumar was attracted to the young girl who prepared the various dishes with only one prust of a paddy. Using her wealth of her qualities, made the proposal of marriage. कन्यया स्वीकृते प्रस्तावे त्वं विधिवदुपम्यं स्वनगरमनयत. When the proposal was accepted by the girl, marrying to her according to rights, Shakti Kumar took her to his own city.